The NOYAFA NF-826 is a versatile underground cable locator that helps in identifying buried cables and pipelines with ease. It can detect both single-core and multi-core cables, as well as metal pipes, making it ideal for a range of applications including safety circuits and junction boxes. With its adjustable sensitivity and features like automatic frequency sweep and a built-in flashlight, it provides high performance even in challenging conditions. The device is equipped with a self-checking function and can measure alternating current and direct current voltage, making it a practical tool for various maintenance tasks. Its built-in lithium battery offers a running time of 6 to 10 hours, ensuring reliable performance for both professional users and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. The NF-826 Cable Locator is perfect for installation and maintenance of weak current systems, communication lines, and computer networks, enhancing its utility for diverse projects.